Hello and welcome to another episode of Roy Studio Adventures. Today we're going to step into the future. We're going to be going over the HyVibe Acoustic from Lag Guitars. The Lag HyVibe Acoustic was lent to us by the good people at Central Music. We're going to run through some of its amazing features. We'll give you a little demonstration of each one.
HyVibe Acoustic from Lag, the world's first smart guitar. A guitar that can amplify itself, generate its own effects, or even turn into a Bluetooth speaker, all without cables, pedals or amps. Multi-EFI reverb, chorus, delay, octaver, tremolo, phaser, distortion and looper stream directly from your phone through your guitar and play along with the built-in metronome. Use the HyVibe mobile app to customize your effects, EQ your sound, record your playing, and much more. The long-life battery allows you to play, loop and stream for over 10 hours per charge. You can charge it easily thanks to its USB-C charging port, or use a power bank away from home and play while it is charging.
This is going to be the sound of the guitar without any effects, and it's not plugged into anything. It's just what's going to be internal from the guitar. No effects. Here's the guitar with some delay. Please like and hit the bell. It helps our channel to grow. Here's the chorus sound, and this is all coming right from the guitar. Some reverb. Not a sponsored video. This is with the boost on. This is distortion. You can adjust all the settings on the guitar. This is the Activator. Okay, next. This is the Tremolo. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you in any way, please subscribe so you can be notified of upcoming videos. Here's the phaser. Now we're going to try the looper. Well, there's a lot of fun to be had with this guitar. And you can catch these down at Central on Main Street in Welland. I hope you enjoyed the demo of the HyVibe guitar. Now, no more you're going to have to worry about getting 9-volt batteries for the EQ and the effects to work, because it comes with a charger. Now, so far the charge has lasted pretty long. I haven't had to charge it in the last few days. What's in the box? Besides the charger, we have the manuals. The manuals, of course, expand on the explanation of the guitar, but I found it pretty easy to use right out of the box, or the case. And yes, it comes with a case, a nice one. We had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys will too.